In sociology, social interaction is a dynamic sequence of social action between individuals who modify their actions and reactions due to actions by their interaction partners. Social interaction can be differentiated into accidental, repeated, regular, and regulated. A social interaction is a social exchange between two or more individuals. These interactions forms a basis for social structure and therefore are a key object of basic social inquiry and analysis. Social interaction can be studied between groups of two or three or larger social groups. Social structure and cultures are founded upon social interaction. By interacting with one another, people design rules, institutions, and systems within which they seek to live. Symbols are used to communicate the expectations of given society to those new to it, either children or outside. Through this broad scheme of social development, one see new social interaction lies at its core. The empirical study of social interaction is one of the subject of microsociology, which concerns the nature of everyday human social interaction and agency on a small scale. Methods include symbolic interactionism and ethnomethodology, as well as later academic subdivisions and studies like psychosocial studies, conventional analysis, and human computer interaction. When we talk about social interaction at the basic level, one can find there are five types of social interaction. One is accommodation, assimilation, conflict, and competition. All these five types are the most important when we talk about social interaction in sociology. Talking about the first type, that is accommodation. Accommodation is a simple words, means staying together of different individuals together in a place. People of adaptive nature get themselves comfortable in any place at a faster rate than other people. It is not necessary to not have any conflict between members if they are staying together. But when people are either working for an institution or going to college in a different city, they need to accommodate. Any and even when there are some problem between people, a minimum amount of adjustment is done by both the parties to maintain a cordial relationship. When we talk about accommodation, one can see the definition of accommodation given by Gillen and Gillen in 1948. Accommodation is the learn used by sociologists to describe a process by which competing and conflicting individual and group adjust their relationships to each others in order to overcome the difficulties which arises in competition, conversation or conflict. Famous American psychologist J. M. Baldwin notes accommodation denotes acquired change in the behavior of individual which enable them to adjust to their environment. According to Park and Burgess, observes accommodation is a natural issue of conflict. In an accommodation, the antagonism of the holistic element is temporarily regulated, and conflict disappears as an overt action, even though it remains latent and may become active again with change in this situation. There are some other definition which is very important given by Horton and Hunt in 1964. Accommodation is a process of developing temporary working agreements between conflicting individuals. Or Kuber in 1968 says a permanent and temporary termination of rivalry parties of function together without open hostile, at least in some respect. And Ogburn says that accommodation is a term used by the sociologists to describe the adjustment of holistic individuals or group. Thank you.